Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert the line chart on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a line chart on your WPS spreadsheet mobile? First of all, I'm just going to enter a three value here. So double tapping here about phone, photo, and mail. Okay, so I have two phones and I have a 500 something like photos, and I have a three mail IDs, something data. It's actually for the examples. Now I'm just going to click on the icon on the option at the bottom. If you are on the home section, just go inside this insert option and click on the chart option. Now just change the column chart to the line chart, and you can find a 6 type of line chart here. Just select any one of the chart and click OK. Now you can see that line chart has been here. You just want to select the source first. On the bottom section you will see option called select data source. Click on this, and if you can plot the series by rows and column and click done. Now you can find the chart and just click on the chart and click on the scale option. Here you can find different type of scales here actually. So we can just select it, and you have a quick layout to modify this. This is how it's look like. So this is how you just change the line chart style, and you can use this on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.